This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get Mega Mix Spring Badge in Steven Universe RP step by step. Begin by joining the event channel and reading pinned rules carefully, then gather the items listed by the moderator. Complete the mini-games in order, trade any missing tokens with teammates, and submit your badge claim to the staff with screenshots of proof for verification to secure your Mega Mix Spring Badge efficiently. Start by focusing on seasonal quests that drop the specific event items, prioritize tasks that award rare pieces, and use trade channels responsibly to complete your set faster. Keep an eye on pinned lists for rarity and coordinate with friends to swap duplicates. Stay patient, pace your farming, and conserve supplies for high-value tasks so you can finish the collection and move on to the badge submission step with confidence. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful videos. Quick recommendation: on another note, life is too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, a cozy pick for long RP marathons. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab a pair if you want comfort, and now let's get back to the video. When you have the full set, capture clear screenshots of inventory and quest completion, then follow the staff's claim format precisely to avoid refunds or rejections. Include timestamps if requested and remain courteous in chats. Moderators process claims faster for cooperative players. If asked for clarification, respond quickly with the requested proof. That approach reduces friction and helps you get your Mega Mix Spring Badge approved without back and forth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.